Let's be honest, the last thing on your mind when life gets busy is remembering to pay your insurance premium. And yet one missed payment can leave you completely exposed at the worst possible moment. We're talking about coverage gaps, those silent financial trapdoors that nobody warns you about until you're standing in the wreckage of an uncovered claim. The numbers are quietly alarming. Roughly 1 in 8 drivers in America are uninsured at any given time, and a significant chunk of that isn't by choice, it's by accident. People forget, autopay fails, cards expire, and suddenly a policy that was supposed to protect everything you've built just vanishes. Think of your insurance policy like a subscription to a streaming service, except instead of losing access to your favorite show, you lose protection for your home, your car, or your health. The irony is, we never forget to renew Netflix, but we'll let a life insurance policy lapse without blinking. The root cause here is actually pretty simple. Insurance companies are not in the business of reminding you to pay them, and the systems most people use to manage policies are embarrassingly manual. We're still printing paper bills and stuffing them in junk drawers in 2025, which is wild. Now here's where automation becomes less of a luxury and more of a financial survival skill. Setting up autopay directly through your insurer or bank removes the single biggest variable in coverage continuity, which is human forgetfulness. Most major carriers offer autopay discounts too, which means you're literally being paid to stop doing the thing that's putting you at risk. But autopay alone isn't the full picture, because a policy that automatically renews without review is like a car that drives itself straight into a ditch, moving, yes, but not necessarily in the right direction. Your coverage needs change when you buy a home, have a child, start a business, or even just upgrade your electronics. And an outdated policy can be just as dangerous as no policy at all. The smart move is to pair automated payments with a calendar-based policy review, ideally once a year, timed around your renewal date, so you're evaluating coverage before it locks in for another cycle. Think of it like an annual physical for your financial protection, uncomfortable to schedule, incredibly important to actually do. There's a persistent misconception that once you've set up a policy, you're done. And that belief has cost people tens of thousands of dollars in uncovered losses. Insurance isn't a one-time transaction. It's a living document that needs to evolve alongside your life. Here's a practical framework that actually works. Create a single recurring calendar event, label it Insurance Audit, set it for 30 days before each policy renewal, and link it to a checklist that covers your auto, home, life, and umbrella coverage. Boring? Absolutely. Effective? Completely. The behavioral economics here are fascinating. In a dark way, people are far more motivated to avoid loss than to pursue gain. And yet, most of us treat insurance reviews as optional upkeep rather than critical loss prevention. The discipline isn't in finding the perfect policy, it's in building the habit of checking the policy you already have. We've seen people carry 20-year-old life insurance policies with coverage amounts set when a house cost $150,000, blissfully unaware that inflation has quietly made their beneficiaries underinsured. Automation without review is just automated negligence dressed up in convenience. The philosophical truth at the center of all this is that financial resilience isn't built in a crisis. It's built in the quiet moments when you choose process over procrastination. The people who never face coverage gaps aren't luckier than you. They're just more systematically boring about calendar reminders and payment setups. Sizing your coverage correctly, reviewing it consistently, and paying it automatically is the unsexy trifecta that separates people who are truly protected from people who just think they are. You don't need conviction or perfect timing. You just need a repeatable system that runs whether or not you're paying attention. And honestly, the comfort in all of this is that automation handles the human error problem, while regular reviews handle the relevance problem together. They close the gap that catches most people off guard. You can't control when life throws a catastrophic curveball, but you can absolutely control whether your coverage is there to catch it. Whether you're looking to protect a property investment, ensure your contracting work is covered, or connect with lenders who understand your financial picture, check out our links in the description below and let us help you get started.